Hi, my name's Jack Weir. I'm with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I wanted to show you the 2019 Thor Windsport. This is a 27B model. Nice, very nice basement storage in this unit, front and back. This does have an onboard 4 kilowatt awning generator. It is a gas generator, so it runs off the gas tank. You never have to worry about running out of fuel unless you run out of fuel in the whole coach. Good storage again all the way through on both sides. And a nice pass through on this one here. Okay, this again, it has the awning 4.0 generator. Got good 8-foot awning on the top, and it is electric. Let's take a look at the inside. Got a really nice information system. This is on the Ford Triton V10 chassis. It's a 6.8 liter, 320 horsepower, 460 on the torque, one push on the leveling system. This one has the overhead electric bunk that'll sleep 2 smaller adults or 1 larger adult. Got the nice couch sofa that converts into the bed, dinette that converts into the bed, and the television that's directly across from the sofa for easy viewing. Over here you got a full Corian countertop with double sinks. They are stainless. Microwave convection, 3-burner cooktop, gas oven. Over here, nice Norcold 3-way refrigerator freezer. Then we're moving back into the storages. You've got a really nice large wardrobe here that also sits the portable table for the front. Nice full pull drawers. Moving into the bathroom. A nice full shower, sink, and commode. Alright. Back into the bedroom. This is the queen walk-around bed. It folds up during travel and comes down for your sleeping. It is a full walk-around. Makes up real simple. There you go. Piece of cake on making up the bed. It also hides your ladder for the overhead bunk. Does have a television directly across from the bed for easy watching. This one is 2019. Great purchase price on it. If you got any further questions, please call Jack at 541-654-1820 or jack.weir@guarantee.com. Thank you.